Good morning, everyone. Now we know the nature of the root of a quadratic equation. Nature. The quadratic equation is the equation ax sorry ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now discriminant is equal to root under b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Now alpha, here alpha is equal to minus b plus d by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus d root under d. Sorry, only d. Okay, d root under d. This is d discriminant by 2a. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Alpha is equal to minus b plus root under d by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root under d by 2a. Now, if case 1, if alpha, if d is equal not is equal to 0, if d not is equal to 0, means then alpha is equal to minus b, then alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, alpha is equal to minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4c by 2a. This is case 1. Now case 2. This is the case 2. If d is equal to 0, if d is equal to 0, then alpha is equal to minus b by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b by 2a. Means here two distinct roots, here equal roots. Equal roots, distinct roots, real. We can also state that real or equal and real. Now case 3rd. In case 3rd, if d less than 0, sorry, here d greater than 0, equal 0 and less than 0. If d less than 0, then alpha is not find. Alpha not find होगा. D is greater, then we cannot minus this from this. We cannot find the no real root. No real roots. Here no real roots. If d less than 0, then alpha not find and beta also not find. No real roots. This is the 3 case in nature of the quadratic equation. and we find by this. We can write here the D is equal to this a square minus 4ac. Thank you.